Hey guys, your boy Femi once again. This is Cassava Nova's the irresistible cassava cheese by I think Pacific Ring West Africa Limited, and they're in Abuja. And this is their new package, the cassava chip. So they are exporting it out of Abuja, out of Nigeria itself. Like sincerely, it's new and it's gluten free. So those that are shouting fat, there's no fat in it. Cassava, pure cassava right now, like it's pure cassava, 100%, 100. So hold on, guys, let me get my knife and let me open it. I think I've seen this packaging somewhere before. I've seen this chip somewhere before. I think Shopper or something. This is the full box. So this is the first flavor, the funky fried noodles. Funky fried noodles, guys. Cassava, 100% African style. I like the packaging. But I think there are four flavors here. The barbecue chicken. And this is the salt and pepper, and this is the hot and spicy. Wow. So 3 flavors, 3 testing flavors for us. I'll be doing the testing in the car, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm asking my dad to review this also on me, but it's not where I'm bringing it on the channel. So first thing first, we went to the bank to do some transactions or something. So I'll be trying out the barbecue chicken. If you can hear so many noise around, it's just cars noise and all. So this is the barbecue chicken itself. Okay, taking a big camera now. Barbecue chicken itself, more light. I'm seeing light, guys. I'm very sorry, man. The rays of lights, man. Sorry guys. That's my bad. So once again, it's your boy Femi. Yes, and this is Femi there. And this is the Cassava. So it's pure cassava, 100% cassava flakes. I feel this will be flakes, and this should be flakes, really. This should be flakes. So this is the first one. This is the barbecue chicken. So I'll send a pack, a full carton. So for my subscribers or fans, if you're in Abuja, allow so you can just get a flavor and test it. In Abuja, I'm serious. So let me know the flavor, you test it, you give your own. Now it smells more like there's this time where we see cassava flakes and they make like the chips on the road. You're going to like Ibadan, thereabouts. And you see I'm sure you guys don't travel much. I do. So this is it. I think mine is broken. Something. Let me get a very big one. So this is the barbecue, and I want to just see how it tastes. Wow. I'm coming. Truth be told, man. At first, the taste in your mouth tastes like tastes exactly like barbecue chicken, but when you chew on it, then the cassava then comes in. So I feel it's been flavored by spices that makes it taste like possible. I was in the kitchen, sha. I like this, but the aftertaste is not like perfecto that I thought I'd get. So let me just check my angle a little bit more to my side. Yeah, you're good to go now. Sorry that I'm in the car. So this is the hot and spicy. I'm not a I'm not really a spice kind of person. Kettle cooked cassava chips, African style, 60 grams, vegan. So that they are actually exporting to Europe and the rest. So trying to meet the standard. Wow. Woo. I wish you guys can see inside. You guys see inside. And this is more complete compared to that first one I actually opened. So once my dad comes in, I'll tell him that we're doing a review. And I'll see his reaction when he tastes them. So this is mine before he comes. Hot and spicy. Is that why it's red? Oh. Now I can taste the spicy after a little bit, but it's not that hot. Hot and spicy. Alright. So the third one, the salt and pepper. I didn't really much. I don't know why I didn't like. I'm not going for the hot and spicy. Maybe because the chicken barbecue flavor just took over my taste bud. Anything is possible. Hot and spicy. You don't want the blue wrap. Wow. This salt and pepper is blue wrap. The hot and spicy is red. The barbecue is yellow. That's yellow or orange. Anyone or both color. No, I feel these are like takeaway snacks. Just chill around the world with snacks and go for fun. I feel that working up. I don't want to be like a food, but a snack. You're traveling, hanging out with guys, anything is possible. This is the last one. This is the funky fried noodles. And my dad is already coming. So once it comes, share with us about it. So let me arrange the chair back so it doesn't look as if I'm just messy. So this is the funky fried noodles. See cassava. This one tastes strange. A bit spicy. We don't like spicy. So I was telling my people that you're coming to review a meal, so you taste. So guys, this is my dad. That's my dad. It's Adino. So that's Adino himself. So this is the funky fried noodles. So taste it and tell us your reaction while I drive.
This is nice.
What does it taste like to you?
It has spice.
Okay.
Like onion.
Okay.
I think maybe little pepper.
Okay. Yeah. There's pepper in that one.
And salt.
And salt, yeah. The pepper is more. Is it much? Pepper, the spice?
The spice more than the pepper.
Okay. So you tasted this one now. It's okay for you, but
yeah.
Okay. Then taste this one instead. Then taste the barbecue. The spicy and red. Or I think it's spicy or something. That should be the hot and spicy. And that's hot and spicy. The red part.
It's balanced.
The balance.
It's
So
balanced.
if you were to pick between the hot and spicy and the fried noodles themselves, funky fried noodles.
I will like this one more than the other one.
You like them more than the other one. Okay. So this one. So okay, let's order the other one now, So this is over that one. Now this is for the. This is the barbecue chicken itself. So taste that one, then tell me how you feel that one, how you see that one.
The flavor is also good and the taste.
So you like this one?
I like this
It
one.
doesn't taste like chicken. It tastes like chicken that's like probably the stock of chicken. So you like this one also?
Yeah.
And the last one, so I have to just get past there. So the last one. I have to throw some down. The last one is blue one. Yes. That's the last one.
But the products are okay. They are very good. I think this is a initiative to support the federal government export drive for non-oil export.
Okay.
That's in a good direction. And Nigeria being the largest producer of cassava, if you can tap into this export market, Nigeria will be on the world map soonest. And I believe the company that is making this one can at the same time produce other products like ethanol from cassava. So our farmers now, you have bigger markets
To sell.
No more waste cassava. But I hope our gari will not be affected. Thank you.
So the price, you look at the price being expensive or something. The price might be expensive. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel. Ember don't reach you. May not forget. Share food right round. Show love to everyone around you. So stay blessed. See you guys soon.